Good morning, Dr. Wan Hafiza. Today we will present the assignment Matematik Kejuruteraan is about show solution for question 2b and 2c. Question 2b. Determine the volume of the solid ring obtained by the region bound by 2 square root x minus 1 and y equal x minus 1 about line x equal -1. The solution. We get two functions. The first is y equal 2 square root x minus x equal x minus 1 over 2 power 2, and then x minus 1 equal x power 2 minus 2x plus 1 over 4. Then 4x minus 4 equal x power 2 minus 2x plus 1. Then x power 2 minus 6x plus 5 equals 0. And then we'll get x minus 5 times x minus 1 equals 0. X equal 5, y equal x minus 1 equal 5 minus 1 equal 4. X equal 1, y equal x minus 1 equal 1 minus 1 equals 0. And then we get intersection point is 5, 4 and 0, 0. We can look the graph beside at the right side. From 1, y equal 2 square root x minus 1, then y over 2 equal square root x minus 1. Y over 2 power 2 equal x minus 1, and we get the x1 is y over 2 power 2 plus 1. From 2, y equal x minus 1, and we get the x2 is equal y plus 1.
Okay, so now to find the volume of the region plotted by the graph, we have a formula which is volume equals to pi times integration from a limit to another limit, x squared minus x squared dy. The first x is the outer radius and the second x is the inner radius. The equation for the outer radius is x equal to y plus 1, and the equation for the second x is x equal to y over 2 squared plus 1. For both equations, we have to minus -1 because we are revolving at x equal to -1 but not x equal to 0. And the limit of the graph is from 0 to 4. So we will get pi times integration from 0 to 4, y plus 1 minus -1 squared minus y over 2 squared plus 1 minus -1 squared dy. And we simplify the equation and we will get pi times integration from 0 to 4, y plus 2 squared minus y over 2 squared plus 2 squared dy. Now we expand y plus 2 squared and y over 2 squared first, and we will get pi times integration from 0 to 4, y squared plus 4y plus 4 minus y to the y squared over 4 plus 2 squared dy. Now we expand y squared over 4 plus 2 squared, and we will get pi times integration from 0 to 4, y squared plus 4y plus 4 minus y to the power of 4 over 16 plus 4y squared over 4 plus 4 dy. Now we remove the bracket and we will get pi times integration from 0 to 4, y squared plus 4y plus 4 minus y to the power of 4 over 16 minus y squared minus 4 dy. And we simplify the equation and we will get pi times integration from 0 to 4, 4y minus y to the power of 4 over 16 dy. Okay, from here we start our integration. To integrate 4y, we bring out the constant which is 4, and we integrate y equals to y squared over 2. And to integrate y to the power of 4 over 16, we do the same. We take out the constant first, and the integration to y to the power of 4 is y to the power of 5 over 5. And we'll get pi times 4 times y squared over 2 minus 1 over 16 times y to the power of 5 over 5. And we write the limit at the end of the equation. So we'll get pi times 2y squared minus y to the power of 5 over 18, and the limit is from 0 to 4. Where from here we substitute 4 and 0 inside. We use the 4 minus the 0, and we'll get pi times 2 times 4 squared minus 4 to the power of 5 over 80 minus 2 times 0 squared minus 0 to the power of 5 over 80. And the final answer is 96 over 5 pi.
Question 2C. Repeat question 2B using shell method. Firstly, we have to sketch a region by the given question. First y is y equals to 2 square root x minus 1. The second y is y equals to x minus 1. And then x equals to minus 1. We sketch the graph by using shell method to find shell radius and shell height. The solution formula given is v equals to integration ab 2 pi times shell radius times shell height dx. The radius equals to x plus 1. The height equals to 2 square root x minus 1 minus open bracket x minus 1 close bracket equals to 2 square root x minus 1 minus x plus 1.
And then v equal 2 pi integrate from 1 to 5 x plus 1 to square root x minus 1 minus x plus 1 dx. v equal 2 pi integrate from 1 to 5 2x square root x minus 1 minus x square plus x plus 2 square root x minus 1 minus x plus 1 dx. And then v equal 2 pi from 1 to 5 2x square root x minus 1 dx plus 2 pi integrate from 1 to 5 minus x square plus 2 square root x minus 1 plus 1 dx.
V equal 4 theta open bracket 2 per 5 close bracket open bracket x negative 1 close bracket 5 per 2 plus open bracket 2 per 3 close bracket open bracket x negative 1 close bracket 3 per 2 close bracket 5 per 1 plus 2 theta open bracket negative x 3 per 3 plus 2 open bracket 2 per 3 close bracket open bracket x negative 1 3 per 2 plus x close bracket 5 per 1. Then v equal 4 theta open bracket 272 per 15 close bracket plus 2 theta open bracket negative 80 per 3 close bracket equal 96 per 5 theta. Thanks for the everything. Sekian, terima kasih.